If you're a teacher thinking about using Wolfram Alpha, but you're not really for sure where to start, or you're not for sure how to use it, the first thing that I would do is I would go there and I would find a vocabulary term that you were going to be teaching the next day and just try it. Just type in Word, type in the vocabulary term, and see the results that you get, because you'll be amazed at how simple it is, how easy the kids will be able to identify the information that they need to identify without trying to sift through all of the confusion. Try a math problem. Type in the graphing problem that you always used to have them do on their graphing calculator, or have them check their work using this kind of tool. So I think that you need to start by trying it out yourself and seeing what results you get, and then transfer that over and let the kids go. Let the kids tell you, this is successful for me and this has helped me. They'll tell you. They'll be the first ones to say, this is a great tool, I need to use this every day for my homework. So let them do it.
If you were a teacher and asking about how you could use Wolfram Alpha in the classroom, I think my advice to teachers exploring this technology would just be the general advice of never stop learning. You know, the world is constantly changing. We're in the state of flux all the time, and you must constantly learn. There's innovations and things all of the time. Wolfram Alpha is a tool that helps you organize some of that knowledge out there. There's no possible way that any one human being is going to be able to do that. So we're trying to develop these tools to go out and for learning tools, for learning technologies to help us with some of that understanding, and again, taking that learning to that next level. Anytime that you can involve the students and get them engaged, I mean, that's the ultimate goal, because when they're engaged, they're learning, they're taking it to the next level and going from the unknown to the known. One of the attractive options for me for Wolfram Alpha as a teacher, I can custom make those lessons, and I can turn those lessons into where I think the gaps are in the student knowledge. And we're constantly looking for the hooks out there, for where students are at, and trying to get them to where we want them to be. For teachers looking to make those customizable learning experiences, it's a great tool for that.
For any teacher that thinks they might be interested, I really just suggest you start playing with it with something that you're interested in, and it will provide you answers that will lead you to new things that you might be interested in. So I think really the advice to any teacher who's thinking about using it is first play with it yourself, and you get to see what it's capable of, and you'll probably fall in love with Wolfram Alpha too. Because this is a web service, and technology, education has been moving more and more online. I mean, this is just a complete natural.
Okay, as a new teacher, I would want to introduce you to Wolfram Alpha as a place where you can take your kids to get information, and also a place that you can go to see what is available as a teacher to present to your students. So I would tell you to go there, take a look, and I think it's going to open up a lot of avenues in how you teach different subjects and different things within your classroom. It's just going to present a lot more options for you.